Hello everyone friends, on the Kalavala, today I will show you how to reset the config yes, the settings of CS2 without entering the game. So go to Steam, go to the library, select Counter-Strike 2, controls and find local files, yes, where we have the game installed. That's it. Go to the game folder, the core folder. Here we have a folder called CFG. So just delete this folder. That's it. And after launching the game, you will have a factory reset. The second way is to right-click on the game properties, or rather yes properties. And here you will need to write a command. This is what it looks like. Autoconfig yes dash autoconfig and start the game. So after the first launch, you will reset the settings, and so that the settings are not reset every time, and before the second launch, you will need to remove this command and start the game. That's all. Sambal Valor. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.